Hey guys, so today I figured I'd show you a real quick recipe on how to make just a homemade frappuccino, frozen latte thing, whatever you care to call it. And it's just super simple, super easy. I get it done in about a minute. That's pretty much all it takes. Well, once the water is boiling, so you need just a tad bit of boiling water, but you can do it with just like hot water. I just prefer to do with boiling. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so that's how you make the latte. I am struggling right now because the dog really wants to have the frappuccino as well. So sorry if that's annoying. But that's all it is. It's really easy. I used the Coffee Mate French vanilla creamer stuff. You can use whatever flavor you want. That's just what I have right now and what I like. You can also do, and I've done this before too, to where you use protein shake stuff. So like make your protein shake however you'd like it, to where it's like a normal shake thing. So like I like to do it with chocolate shake, and I just use the Premier Protein like already done stuff, and I'll use about half of one of those cartons and with it and some milk, and it's super yummy. And then it's an added like kick of protein as well. And yeah, my little coffee thing. And you can use however much espresso you want, however little. You can do it without to make a caffeine coffee free version if you would like. And the dog is sticking her nails into my leg. Okay, but yeah, that's all it is. And taste of approval. It's delicious, even though I've already had a chunk of it. But yeah, that's all. And if you like this video and want me to do more cooking videos like this, even though this wasn't cooking, but like food like videos, then let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you sorry, the dog is chewing on my hand right now. But if you want to see more of me, hit the little subscribe button and leave me a comment down below telling me your favorite thing to have in the morning, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.